What if I told you a tiny sensor in your car could be secretly draining your bank account by making your engine guzzle fuel like there's no tomorrow? Sounds crazy, but it happens all the time. Welcome back to Car Care Fix, the channel where we make car problems simple, fixes easy, and maintenance stress-free. In today's video, we're diving into the 10 most important sensors in your car, what they actually do, and the warning signs you'll notice when they start to fail. By the end of this video, you'll be able to spot sensor problems early and save yourself serious money. Let's get started. Sensor number 1, mass airflow sensor, MAF. First up is a mass airflow sensor. This sensor measures how much air is entering the engine, so the computer can inject the perfect amount of fuel for proper combustion. If it goes bad, you might notice rough idling or stalling, sluggish acceleration, poor fuel economy. If your car suddenly feels weak or starts burning more gas than usual, the MAF sensor could be the reason. Sensor number 2, oxygen sensor, O2 sensor. Next is the oxygen sensor. This sensor monitors oxygen levels in the exhaust and helps the engine adjust the air-fuel mixture. Signs of failure include check engine light, increased fuel consumption, rough engine performance. If your car starts acting thirsty at the pump, this sensor may need attention. Sensor number 3, throttle position sensor, TPS. The throttle position sensor tells the engine computer how much you're pressing the accelerator. If it fails, you may experience jerky acceleration, uneven idling, sudden engine stalls. If your car feels unpredictable or delayed when you hit the gas, this sensor might be causing it. Sensor number 4, coolant temperature sensor. This sensor monitors engine temperature to prevent overheating. Bad sensor symptoms include overheating, poor fuel efficiency, erratic temperature gauge readings. If your temperature gauge starts behaving strangely, don't ignore it. Your engine could be at risk. Sensor number 5, crankshaft position sensor. This sensor tracks crankshaft speed and position, which is essential for proper engine timing. When it fails, you might notice engine misfires, hard starting, weak acceleration. If your car struggles to start or randomly stalls, this sensor could be the culprit. Sensor number 6, camshaft position sensor. Working together with the crankshaft sensor, this one ensures valves open and close at the right time. Signs of trouble include rough idling, loss of power, check engine light. If your engine feels like it's struggling to breathe, check the sensor. Sensor number 7, MAPS sensor, manifold absolute pressure. This sensor measures intake manifold pressure and helps optimize fuel delivery. Symptoms of failure: rough idle, poor fuel economy, engine hesitation. If your car feels like it's gasping for power, this sensor might need replacing. Sensor number 8, knock sensor. The knock sensor listens for abnormal engine vibrations or knocking sounds. If it goes bad, you may notice knocking or pinging noises, reduced acceleration, warning lights. Ignoring this can lead to serious engine damage. Sensor number 9, wheel speed sensor. This sensor monitors how fast each wheel is spinning and helps systems like ABS and traction control work properly. Failure symptoms include ABS or traction control warning lights, uneven braking, speedometer issues. If braking suddenly feels strange, this sensor could be the reason. Sensor number 10, fuel pressure sensor. Finally, the fuel pressure sensor ensures the engine gets the correct fuel pressure. When it fails, you might experience hard starting, engine misfires, poor fuel economy. If your car feels like it's starving for fuel, this sensor may be at fault. And there you have it, the 10 most important sensors in your car and the warning signs to watch for. These small components play a huge role in performance, fuel economy, and engine health. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Car Care Fix for more simple car repair tips and secret maintenance tricks. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.